Modern production lines are a marvel of ingenuity and efficiency, and their evolution started at Henry Ford's factory in Detroit. Or did it? When we think of the production line, many of us see Ford's moving assembly line, which started rolling out Model T cars in 1913. By breaking the construction of the car down into 45 individual jobs, each endlessly repeated by one worker, each vehicle could be built in just 93 minutes.
I believe that this was the first moving line ever installed,
said Ford. History has tended to agree with him. But it's not true. The origins of the moving assembly line go back much further, to around 1320, when the Venetian Republic built its Arsenale Nuovo. A great medieval trading nation, Venice built the Arsenale to send its new great galleys out to the world. These ships were built frame first, not hull first, as was traditional. This allowed each ship to be made up of individual parts that could quickly be assembled. Each galley had identical measurements and interchangeable parts, meaning that a carpenter could concentrate on a single part of the ship. They became highly skilled at their craft and therefore much faster at it. Up to 100 galleys at a time moved down a canal past each of the specialist craftsmen. This moving production line and its vast workforce, some 16,000 people, had a radical effect. The Arsenale could produce one ship a day. For comparison, most of the medieval shipyards of Europe were still building one ship at a time and turning out one vessel every 9 months to 2 years. Even centuries later, during the Napoleonic Wars, when Britain had the most formidable navy in the world, a frigate took 9 to 18 months to complete. By 1450, there were 3,000 production line galleys serving the Republic. To maintain it, the Arsenale again broke down the repair and refitting work into separate jobs. Rope and tackle, cannons and munitions were all made to standardized sizes and shapes. No wonder that Venice punched above its weight and was a maritime power for centuries. Nothing lasts forever. In 1797, Napoleon invaded and dissolved the Republic. After 1,100 years of existence. The French looted Venice, destroyed the Arsenale, and sank or captured its entire navy, leaving the moving production line to be reinvented by Ford 116 years later.